Hello, welcome to the Cosmic Patterns YouTube channel. I am glad you found us. Today I will be showing you the cool interpretive reports that are included within the Blue Star Professional. Okay, there's quite a few of them. Okay, and let me show you. So this is the Blue Star Professional. After you enter the birth data, you click on interpretation. Okay, so you can see it goes there right away. But this one comes with Blue Star Pro AstroTalk right here, and then you just click on OK, and then you will see the AstroTalk report displayed on the screen. Okay, there you go. That's the AstroTalk. And then you scroll down to each of the pages using this menu item here, or you can save it to PDF for the entire thing. Okay. All right. I'll show you this other one. This is timeline. This is a forecast report. You can do up to 12 months or 6 months or 1 year. Let me just do 3 months in here. And then we click, you can start from any date that you want, and let's click on OK here. Now it will eventually get displayed on the screen. Okay, so that's the timeline. You can again move forward using this down arrow in here. Okay, and the next one is the Star Types report. You click in here on the Star Types report, and you just click on OK. Will also be displayed automatically. There you go. You can scroll through this whole thing to show you the reports and also save it to PDF. You can save all the reports to PDF, and then you can sell or send it as a gift to your clients, family, and friends. Okay, so let's go to the Star Type compatibility. So this one, it needs two people to compare with. You can see this is a compatibility report. Then here on the right side, we're going to select the person that we want to compare with. We'll do, okay, we'll do this one. Okay, we'll do, Frederick. And then we click on OK. And then it will display. It's really simple. This is the Star Type compatibility report. Yeah, you can see there's a bunch of graphics in there as well. It's beautiful. You can send it as a gift. Okay, the next one is Life Path. This is a career and vocation reading. Okay, so you can also, okay, so use this mail. Okay, and we click on OK, and you can change it to the place that you want to use, and then you click on OK. We'll create a report for you right away. Okay, there you go. Yeah, beautiful. You can either click on here and maybe click in here, and it will show you that section, but you can scroll down to see them all. Okay, all right. Now we go to the Life Chakras report. Okay, so this is there is really a really good one. It's an in-depth report about inclinations towards properties and disinclination that you like. And the chakra report is based on the actual skeleton structure of the solar system itself. Okay, so you can read it from the screen in here. It's really small print, but you can read it before you even create it. Okay, and we click on OK in here, and then it will give you the report here on the screen. Okay, all right. Okay, so it's really beautifully done. And the next one is Life Strategy Report. The same thing with this. As soon as you click on it, you click on OK, and then we'll give you the report. Okay, there you go. Life Strategy Report. Again, scroll down. Okay, the next one is a Life Landscape. Okay, we do the same. We click on OK. We'll get displayed. Okay. Now, I'll show you something cool after this is displayed. There you go, the life landscape. Okay, the next one is the planet forecast. It's right there. Okay. So you can have the Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Okay, so it has, each one of them has its own name. For Mercury is for communication, for Venus is the love and values and all that stuff. So we're gonna select the career and life path in here, and then we click on OK. Okay, you can also change the date when it starts. Okay, so this is the career and life path report. Okay, all right, so these are all the reports that are included with the Blue Star Pro, and I have a sample of it in here. You can see, you can click on each one of this in our website. I will put the link that is above here. I will put the link onto the YouTube descriptions, so you will get to see this link. Okay, all right, I hope you enjoy this presentation of the interpretive report that comes with the Blue Star program. Okay, thank you for watching. You take care now.